We hit 1K last week and I am so happy. Hi everyone! I just wanted to make a quick video saying thank you to everyone who recently subscribed to me or was already subscribed to me. It's just, I don't know, I kind of feel like an actual YouTuber now. When I started out my channel, I didn't really think I could pull this off. I mean, I thought I was probably gonna quit in a few months. I didn't think anyone would care about my videos. I didn't think I could actually make good videos, but I really fell in love with the whole video making and I'm just really happy. My sister also bought me cake because we had a bet that I couldn't do it, but I did. So now I've got cake. So yeah, I know this video isn't really long. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who supports me and watches my videos and enjoys my videos, because that's really what I want actually. I want people to enjoy my videos. So yeah, thank you to everyone who subscribed. Thank you for 1K and I will be uploading more soon. So until then, stay tuned and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!